Hello, Zay.
Hi!
May buntag.
Morning, black people.
Hello, Lovey. So it's another day for pampering and beauty and wellness. There's a The Elixir Aesthetic Center. So mooto sila si Giselle and si Ara, and they will be handling the service that I'll be enjoying today. So mauna siya si Giselle. She's currently cleaning my face of the dust and impurities, and then that you see on the video right now is facial cleansing using facial cleanser, of course. And while give facial cleanse ta, Ara is also preparing the IV for the Celestial Drip that has anti-acne, collagen, vitamin C, and immunity booster. So, mo na siya guys, gina-prepare na ni Ara for insertion. Mo na siya ang Celestial Drip. And once again, it has a lot of benefits. So, mo na siya ang process. While gi-facial, gi-Celestial Drip sad ko ni Ara. And then there you go. So mona gi-continue og cleanse akong face. And then afterwards kay ang facial scrub. So facial scrub is for removal of impurities as well, such as whiteheads and blackheads. And after ana ongoing ang steam, and then while gi-steam kay gi-prick pud akong nose ug uban facial parts para i-remove ang whiteheads and blackheads sa ato ang face. And then afterwards is the Hydra, mo ang Hydra machine. It's suction, parehas ra sa suction machine before, but it uses water to suck out the impurities sa imong face. Mao na siya ang process, guys. And then afterwards, kay ang putting of serum sa atong face para mo glide lang ang atong machines na gamiton later on. So mao na siya ang serum with retinol na gi-massage sa atong face ni Giselle. So, thank you so much, Giselle. So, muna, after sa serum, kay use taog
Karon sa
galvanic.
ganin ni siya.
Kani, ang pangan diri mo kay facial ultrasound pero same lang sila sa galvanic dito sa HS mo.
Pareha sa galvanic. Para unsa sa gani sa naong.
Kani, pang flatten siya sa mga pores mo.
Flatten sa pores.
Lifting head.
Lifting head.
Pang lifting sa tong face. Pag-feel kag init ang
Kani siya.
ay mag-remove.
Ang pag-remove pa.
And since hapit naman mahuman ang IV drip, gipush na ni Ara ang remaining na solution sa ato ang veins para mapaspas ang iyang process.
Kani Zay.
Kani ko dahan siya.
Cold hammer gyud tawag niya.
Nakamutan diri kay ice head.
Ice head.
Pero same rin siya sa
Cold hammer. Para sa para close.
And then the next step, mesolipolysis. This is insertion of fat-burning medicine onto your tummy, face, and sa ato ang arms. So kana 3 parts left side, 3 parts right side gina-inject sa medicine para mahilis ang atong fats diha na area, because those areas stubborn jud na ang fats, lisod ka na siya hilison, guys. So muna siya ang pag-insert sa medicine, and then sa ato ang double chin sad na putay mesolipolysis sa face, wherein the medicine is injected in the chin area to remove the double chin nato sa ato ang face, mga fats, mga stubborn fats na siya sa atong dagway, guys. So same process, 3 injections sa left and 3 injections sa right. So muna siya ang gina-inject, and Ara is handling that service as well. And then after sa mesolipolysis, we proceed to the mesolipolysis sa arms. Same process gihapon, left and right arm, 3 injections per arm. So left and right, 3 injections na siya. So atong mesolipolysis for tummy, face, and arms atong gi-enjoy na service. And afterwards, ang pico laser to remove or to lighten the acne scars or mga dark spots sa atong naong, mo na gina-hit ni Giselle ang mga areas na naay mga pimples before na ni darken na siya, guys. So this I think is one of my favorite services sa The Elixir because I noticed that my acne scars really lightened after enjoying this service from them. So I really love this service. Next part is the shaving of my underarm because they won't allow you to shave your own underarm when you're at home if you are already enjoying the underarm laser hair removal. Sila gyud mismo mag-shave sa inyo ang underarm. Mo na siya, guys, ang pag-shave sa hair sa ato ang ilok. And then after that, after shaving, mona, if you can see, noticeably whitened jud ang ato ang underarm. Thank you to the Elixir underarm hair laser and removal and hair underarm whitening. Mona siya, guys. So they will place gel so that muglide lang atong laser machine. And then, mauna siya ang process sa pagbutang sa ilahang gel, guys. Sanitary jud siya using a stick. And then afterwards, that will be the laser for the hair removal. 1,000 shots of laser to your underarms each side para mo lessen or mawagtang na gyud ang inyong hair sa inyong ilok. And then after the hair removal is the underarm whitening. Same machine but different creams ang ginagamit nila ana na process, guys. And then afterwards, we proceed to the RF and cavitation for the arms because after the mesolipolysis, they will also use RF and cavitation machines to burn the fats sa inyong arms. So muna, after atong RF, we proceed to cavitation na machine. And then, of course, we also use gels to make sure that the machine will glide sa inyo ang body part. And then afterwards, ana, since nag-mesolipolysis phase man pud ta, naaputay own machine for the RF and cavitation for the face. It's a mini version of the RF and cavitation for the body. And then lastly, application of gel to the tummy. Kay nag-mesolipolysis man ta sa atong tummy, we will also have RF and cavitation for the tummy to burn the fat sa ato ang tummy area. So thank you so much for watching this video and I hope to see you on my next vlog, lovies. Thank you so much for your support and please do support the Elixir Aesthetic Center, Cebu, Argao. Thank you so much!